In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Spotify to Discord. By the end of this walkthrough, your Discord profile will be connected to your Spotify account so friends can see what you're listening to and you can enjoy richer presence while you chat. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web browser version. Both work the same for this. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen where you can see your servers and user menu. Now, head to Connections. You'll find this inside User Settings, which is the small gear icon near your profile area at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click that, and in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Connections. This is where Discord gathers all the services you can link, like gaming platforms, streaming services, and social accounts. So Spotify will be right at home here. Inside Connections, find and click on Spotify. When you select Spotify, Discord will open a prompt, often in your browser, asking you to authorize the connection. This is normal and safe as long as you're on the official Spotify and Discord pages. Just follow the on-screen instructions to allow the link. If a new tab doesn't appear, check your pop-up blocker or try again. Once permission is granted, you'll be brought back to Discord, and you should see Spotify listed under your connected accounts. That's all you need to do to link Spotify to Discord. From here, Discord can show your listening to Spotify status while you play music or podcasts on Spotify. If you prefer to keep things private, you can always manage what's shared from the same connections area later. And if you ever change your mind, you can disconnect the link from that list with a single click. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Use the same Spotify account you want visible on your profile and ensure you're actively playing something in Spotify if you're testing the present status right away. Free and premium Spotify accounts both link, though certain listening features may vary by region and plan. If you're on mobile, the flow is similar. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Connections, and choose Spotify. The screens are just arranged for smaller displays. If things don't appear immediately, give it a moment, then close and reopen Discord to refresh your status. And remember, you're always in control of what your friends can see. That's it. Your Spotify is now linked to Discord. Enjoy sharing your soundtrack while you chat.